Welcome to Christmastown at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg in James City County, Virginia. In addition to being a beautiful amusement park in the warmer months, they also do an annual Halloween-themed event called Hallow Scream and a Christmas event seen here. There were many logistical hiccups that we noticed this time versus a time that we visited in the past, like extremely high parking fees, disorganization at the lots, the gates, overcrowding, because I think they used to cap crowd capacity and they had undertrained and understaffed employees, which led to really long wait times. We didn't let that get us down though, because the lights were beautiful and fun. They decorated their parking lot trams, their train, and the sky gondolas, as well as the different countries around the park, and they sold really yummy hot cocoa to warm us on the bitter cold night. During this event, they also have shows, special guests like Santa, and some costume characters that walk around the kids' area. See the links below for Busch Gardens Williamsburg main page, their Christmastown page, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.